Hello and good morning, and thanks very much for providing such opportunities to NREN engineers. This is Salman Umari and Network Manager for Green, Afghanistan Research and Education Network, and one of the DNS/DNSSEC online workshop, which was held on 29 November up to 3rd December 2021. We were three participants from Afghanistan. It was a very useful and interesting workshop for us. We've learned much things about DNS and its security. As you know, nowadays security is very important in every field, especially in the network. We try our best to implement what we learned in the previous workshop in our own network, especially in our Afghan. And at the end, I would like to thank from NREN's, Asia Connect, and all teachers. Thank you very much. Thank you.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. My name is Jamaluddin Nizami. I work as an ICT General Manager in the Ministry of Higher Education, as well as a member of NREN. And also an applicant for DNS and DNS security trainings. As you know, security play a key role and important issue in today's systems. This trainings are relevant to our job. I wish I could join this training physically, but unfortunately due to some problems like Corona, we could not, and this program was cancelled. So this training was very helpful, and we learned enough knowledge about DNS and DNS security. We hope that we can implement and run and launch in our networks and deliver our knowledge to our colleagues. Thanks from those who organize and manage this training, as well as from teachers. Special thanks. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Harun Haras from Afghanistan. I am at work at Network Assistant Afghan, one of the DNS/DNSSEC online workshop. Actually, that workshop is very important and also usual. Thanks from Learn and Asia Connect and 10 and other partners to invite us from Afghanistan.
Good morning everyone. From the workshop I've attended from 29th November to 3rd December on DNS and DNSSEC, it was a really amazing experience and a very important topic, as I am working as a system administrator, and for us to know about DNS is a must. So although I had some basic about DNS, me implementing it further as a practical would be really important, and also we didn't really have an experience about DNSSEC, so even for that we got an experience. And as of academic.ethnic.net, we had no idea, so it was an introduction for us for the virtual lab as well. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dawa Funsumlode. I work as a network and systems engineer under DNN, Department of IT and Telecom. The workshop on DNS and DNSSEC security was very helpful, especially in our line of work. I would like to thank Asia Connect project, which is funded by Uprouse with Learn project. The workshop, particularly on the topics like reverse DNS and the hands-on virtual lab, was very useful. I, on behalf of DNN and on my own behalf, would like to thank for organizing such a useful event. Thank you.
Hello, I am Pratima Pradhan. I work for Bhutan Computer Incident Response Team, which is a division under the Department of IT and Telecom. Though I have multi-role of being an incident handler, project manager, system administrator, among others, it was very important for me to learn about DNS domain name system and how to secure them. The workshop provided by Learn and the trainer from Epinic, Shane, both were fantastic. I had previously attended one of the webinar on DNS by Shane, but at that time my learning was limited. This time I got more clarity on the DNS architecture, the forward and reverse DNS, and it was the Bind Labs which kept the flow very smooth. Being a security person, I've always heard of DNSSEC, but through this workshop now I can also implement the cryptography and digital signatures to secure DNS. Thank you.
Hi, this is Karma Jamyam from Group Research and Education Network, Department of IT and Telecom, Ministry of Information and Communications. I recently attended a 5-day workshop on DNS, DNSSEC organized by Learn, financed through Asia Connect project. The workshop covered the basic DNS concepts and also provided the hands-on demonstration on how to deploy recursive DNS, forwarding DNS, and also reverse DNS. I was able to grab the concept of DNSSEC, and hopefully we will be able to implement in our DNS, the DNS security. Overall, the workshop was a very good exercise to equip participants to develop the required skills to operate and manage the DNS. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Radhika and I work for Bhutan Computer Incident Response Team. Recently, I had the opportunity to attend DNS DNSSEC training organized by Learn with support from Asia Connect, and it hugely benefited me in understanding how a DNS operates, the security challenges related to DNS, and how to securely configure it. The sessions, though it had to be conducted online, were very interactive and engaging with hands-on labs. And it would be my pleasure to recommend similar training to my colleagues if conducted in future. Once again, I would like to thank all the organizers for making this event a success and giving us an opportunity to learn. Thank you.
Well, this is Sergio Kando from Bhutan, and our team from Bhutan is operating and managing Duke Research and Education Network, and we provide services to the higher research and education institutes. And this is my first time I'm attending the DNS and DNS security extension technical workshop, and this workshop provides me lots of information and makes me understand what is DNS, how DNS works, type of DNS, and the protocol used for DNS security to secure our DNS server. And I hope this skills and knowledge will be used in our Duke Research and Education Network. And I personally thank everyone for this support. Thank you.
Jampa Chota, working here at Paro College of Education and the Royal University of Bhutan. It was my first workshop attended on DNSSEC. The teachers are very much capable, friendly, and I look forward to attend such training in future. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. My name is Kezang Namge and I'm from Bhutan. Currently, I work at College of Science and Technology under Royal University of Bhutan. I work here as a technician, and basically I look here mostly networking and hardware parts in our college and particularly in our IT department. Though I have very basic knowledge on DNS, after attending 5 days workshop on DNS and DNSSEC, I have gained some knowledge. And as per the instruction given by Epinic about gain knowledge to the colleagues, I have actually planned and shared to some of the colleagues over here. Actually, I have one friend who have also attended the same training, so he and I have discussed and collaboratively shared our gain knowledge through the workshop, and hopefully it will benefit them as well. So I would like to thank Epinic for giving us such opportunities to attend workshop, such benefit workshop, and looking forward for the same at near future. Thank you very much.
Hi, I am Mekbir Rai from Bhutan. I work at Par College of Education under Royal University of Bhutan. It was a great opportunity to join DNSSEC workshop. It is my first time learning DNSSEC. The content design for the workshop was very informative. Instructors were very friendly and helpful. The workshop helped me understand DNS security and how it works. It will help me secure my DNS using the security extensions and the protocols learned during the workshop. I intend to deploy DNSSEC soon in my network. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Temalo Troop, IT technician from College of Science and Technology under the Royal University of Bhutan. I attended the 5 days online training on DNS and DNSSEC. It was really informative topic. Through this training, I have learned that DNS is to resolve the fully qualified domain name to routable IP address, and DNSSEC work is to keep the security or validation to DNS. DNSSEC means it's like HTTP and HTTPS, which keep more security to DNS. Me and my friend have already transferred our knowledge to our dear colleagues as per your instruction. Thank you, Epinic Company, for giving us a great opportunity to attend this training. It is really important to our organization. Thank you again.
Hello, my name is Sangyong Di and I'm from Bhutan. Currently, I'm working in Gita College of Business Studies as a system administrator for the last 12 years. As a system administrator, I should say that from this workshop, it has immensely benefited me a lot in terms of securing my DNS. And lastly, thank you to our instructor for such a beautiful presentation, and looking forward for such kind of workshops in the near future. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Tanindoji. I am from Jimdemgil Engineering College under Royal University of Bhutan, and I am working as a ICT technician. So if I share something on DNS and DNSSEC that I have attended for 5 days, I have learned so many things, and after attending that workshop, even I have recollect back my training days, and I can apply day-to-day life in my college. So after attending that workshop, I have even share my experience that I've gained within 5 days to my colleagues, and they even enjoy. And I would like to thank Epnic for such a wonderful training and giving a chance to participate to me. And then I would like to thank RUB and my college once again. Thank you.
Hello, I am Tempo Doji from Bhutan. I work at the Royal University of Bhutan. I found this workshop very important and interesting because we have already implement DNS in all the RUB colleges, and has been also working so far. And instructor was very active and audible doing this workshop and practical work, uh, and I hope this workshop has been useful to all the participation. And during this workshop, I really enjoyed and learned more things from this workshop during the practical classes. Thank you.
Hello, I am Arun Thamakot. I am the lecturer, Information and Communication Center of Champasak University. I am responsible for maintaining and securing of Internet network. In DNS training, I can get some understanding about lab training, so I can look it better. I am going to bring this knowledge to my colleagues and students. Effect tourists. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Kampao Sisaat. I'm a lecturer from National University of Laos. It was my great opportunity to join the DNS and the DNS security workshop. The contents of the workshop is very intensive. The virtual lab is very convenient. With this, I can access anytime when I want to do it. The trainer is very professional, expert and skillful on all topics. I believe that the knowledge that I gained from these workshops can be applied to my academic career. For instance, improve up the course syllabus with related subject. And more than that, I think I can do the knowledge transfer to my colleagues and students as well. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Kamsaon Julamani. I am working at Network Division, IT Center, National University of Laos. I am one of the participants in the DNS security workshop. The topic that I like the most is network security and DNS DNSSEC. I will use this knowledge from the workshop to help implement DNS security in our university. I will also transfer this knowledge to other colleagues as well as my students within my organization. Thank you very much for inviting me to join this useful workshop, and I hope I will have a chance to join another workshop. Thank you again.
Hello, my name is Ponprit Pumong. I am the lecturer of the Department of Computer Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, National University of Laos. So last week I have attended the course. The title is the DNS and the DNS security from the LEARN projects. So this course is very powerful for me because I have to learn a lot of and I have learned more about the DNS server. So recently DNS server is very important, and so everybody need to use the DNS server. And moreover, this course teach me a lot, and especially that is the DNS security. So in this course, I prefer that they have the Appendix Visual Lab for everybody can test the DNS server and DNS security. So this one is very useful, and for the somebody and for me also, because I never test the environment of the DNS server before. So finally, I would like to thanks to the Learns project. This project is really useful for everybody, and then for every lecturer in around the world. So thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Saisana Chantawong. I'm from Savannakhet. Now I am a lecturer from a Faculty of IT, Savannakhet National University. It's my pleasure joining the DNS Security Workshop. I have learned so many new things from this course. It's very useful for my teaching. I will transfer all of this to students and my colleagues.
Hello, my name is Kamla Pomali. I am working as the Network Division IT Center, National University of Laos. I am one of the participants into the DNS security workshop, which was held on the 29 November to December 2021. The topic that I like the most is introduction to DNS and DNS security. I will use this knowledge from the workshop to help important DNS security on our campus. I will also transfer this knowledge to the college as well as my student within organization. Thank you very much for the approach with Learn project for everything and organizing this useful workshop.
Hello, my name is Nat Don Pundi. I am working at IT Center, National University of Laos. I am one of the participants in the DNS security workshop from Laos. This workshop is a new knowledge for me. The channel is explain theory, and I can follow up and run lab. I will use new knowledge from the workshop to help implement DNS security on our campus. I will also transfer this knowledge to other colleges as well as my students within my organization. Thank you very much, this project, for inviting and organizing this useful workshop. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sosai Sengwong. I am working at National University of Laos. I am one of participants in DNS security. This workshop is so interesting because I really want to apply the DNS server into our university network. Right now, we're using the cloud DNS, which is not effective enough for us to do the local servers and local services. I would like to talk a little more about the workshop. I like the virtual lab from Epinix, the Epinix Academy. There are many courses online and also the virtual labs that well designed for us to practice with many aspects, especially DNS and DNS security. I have been transferred the knowledge to other students and lecturers from University of Laos, and I also use the virtual labs to help them understand more about the DNS and DNS security.
Hello, my name is Siripon Laving Wong. I am working at the Network Division, IT Center, National University of Laos. I am one of the participants in the DNS security workshop, which was held on 29 November to 3 December 2021. The topic that I like the most is DNS concept and DNSSEC. All the topic is help me to understand more about DNS security. I am very happy to attend this workshop because it is the first time I learn. I will use this knowledge from the workshop to help implement DNS security on our campus. I will also transfer this knowledge to other colleges as well as my students within my organization. Thank you very much for the Uprouse with Learn project for invite and organize this useful workshop.
Good afternoon, APNIC and Learn team. I want to share the experience of our DNS and DNSSEC workshop. So it was a very fantastic experience because that's DNS and DNSSEC. We had experience on DNS earlier, but anyhow DNSSEC practicals and something different. Also the virtual labs, the APNIC virtual labs is amazing experience. That's really different way of teaching. So the instructors and others, really amazing things. They gave awesome, great knowledge and skills on DNS, DNSSEC. And also the practical environment is something really special for us. So that's why we gain more knowledge on that. That's good things. Also we share the experience, we share the knowledge transfers to our institution, local institution, also for the IT staff. Thank you very much, APNIC and Learn.
From Learn Sri Lanka, and I work as a network system engineer. This workshop is very important to me because it discusses everything from DNS basics to DNS security, and this workshop conducted in a very convenient time frame, and so that we could keep the balance with the other day-to-day works. And workshop was conducted by a very experienced trainer from APNIC, and very well organized by the partners from Learn, Royal University of Bhutan and National University of Laos. And I am very grateful to everyone who gathered to create this opportunity for all of us. Thanks.
Hello everyone. It was an excellent session that I have experienced with APNIC trainers. Thank you very much. Learn to extend the opportunity to represent the University of Moratuwa in the webinar series. As an assistant network manager, I'm attached to the data center operations at the University of Moratuwa. Therefore, it is an excellent opportunity to learn more about DNS through this workshop. Furthermore, after the workshop, I shared my knowledge, which I gained from the workshop with the data center technical staff members, which gave me more confidence about the content we learned. Last but not least, I would like to thank again to Learn and APNIC for this opportunity.
I am Pradivan, System Engineer, University of Bavania. I have attended DNS security workshop hosted by Learn and Uprouse. It was useful for us. We have shared the knowledge with our colleges. We have received a practical and theoretical knowledge in this workshop. It was useful. We will try to implement any necessary DNS server within our institution. Thank you for Learn and Uprouse and other support staff, instructors and everyone. Thank you very much.
I am Tisar Pereira, attached to the ULS University as an assistant network manager. I have attended this DNS workshop from 29 November to 3rd December. Normally, it is very difficult to attend in online workshop as soon during especially 5 days. But this workshop is conducting in practical manner and subject area was very interesting for me. Therefore, I didn't face any difficulty or didn't bore for me. This workshop covered the concept and practical scenario about the DNS. Therefore, I have captured the maximum knowledge and overall understanding about the DNS, how to implement in the production environment as well. And this course content and material were well organized and well scheduled. So therefore, it was very easy to us to attend the workshop. If I talk about the lecture panel, they were played super role and guide us every time, and they are always ready to help us. The lab environment also superb and well planned. Therefore, it is very easy to understand and it is facilitated amazing production. Actually, it was a remarkable workshop and it's recommendable. I wish to join with this kind of workshop again, and I am really appreciate the effort of Professor Roshan and Mr. Tilin and learn staff and academic staff as well. Right. Thank you.
I am Vijayakandan Kanesalingam, working as a network manager, University of Vavuniya, Sri Lanka. So first of all, thank you for organizing committee for organizing this workshop and giving me the opportunity to participate in this workshop. So, so before I know the basic knowledge of DNS and DNS security. So after this workshop, I know so how to set up the DNS server and DNS security to our institution. So I hope that this workshop was very useful for all participants. So I am expecting this like this workshop in future also. So thank you for everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Kan Kai Wei from the University of Computer Study, UCSY, Yangon, Myanmar. I would like to thank you join the DNS and DNS security workshop, Uprouse Weekend. I learned a lot of knowledge from this workshop. I will share this knowledge with students to my colleagues. Thank you very much for your invaluable support to us. Thanks all.
Hi all, this is Pramod Gyawali from Patan Academy of Health Sciences, Pars, Nepal. I would like to thanks to you all for enhancing my knowledge on DNSSEC training program organized by LORN. I have been selected by Nepal NREN and guided on this workshop by tutor of ethnic, that is Yashas and her team. I have attended 5 days session and the sessions contents are very useful to me and my organization. Nepal NREN has organized 2 days knowledge transfer program on 19 and 20 December 2021. I got chance to present 2 sessions, that is Ethnic Virtual Lab Day 1 and RNDC Day 2. We have concluded 2 days workshop by today. We are using other DNS applications in my organization because of limited knowledge on this. I have got more confidence from this workshop and so we'll implement soon on bind DNS after practicing more. I have to see you in next fruitful workshops in future. Thank you.
Hello, Namaste. Warm greetings from Nepal. I am Subhadra Joshi. I would like to thank LEARN, APNIC and NREN for the wonderful workshop and the opportunity. The workshop was wonderful and I learned a lot from the workshop regarding the DNS and DNSSEC. After this workshop, I'll help set up DNS in my workplace. Thank you.
Hello, Namaste. I'm Gunjan Rajitkar from IOM, Institute of Medicine, Office of the Dean, Kathmandu, Nepal. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to the organizing committee for providing an opportunity to attend a DNS-DNSSEC training program organized by LEARN. I was selected by NREN, Nepal Research and Education Network. It was a 5 days program which was held via online on 29 November to 3rd of December 2021. The workshop content were profound, important to me and for my workplace as I am working in a government hospital and inside it is a campus area network where teaching and learning activities as well as training telemedicine in this current scenario of COVID is very important. DNSSEC is very important to administer, troubleshoot and manage hardware, software or services for a single multi and multi-user environment. It is also important to protect data and information by keeping backups, and for any kind of worse attack like ransomware attacks, a good DNSSEC does not only keep the network safer, it helps to run better. After the Learn workshop, we, with the help of NREN from Nepal, organized a 2-day workshop on fundamental of DNS for NREN campus networks, which was held on 17 and 18 of November 2021. There were about 40 participants from different institutes and organizations in the workshop. My topic was forward DNS and reverse DNS in the workshop. As this was my first chance in this kind of program, I think I did my best and will do better in the near future if I have any chances like this. Finally, I would like to thank Learn and Asian Connect for organizing such workshop activities. Thank you.
I'm from NREN, Vietnam. Nice to meet you. It's very honored to me to join this DNSSEC workshop. I think the content of this workshop is quite good. A little bit hard for me. Teacher is she working hard to bring us knowledge, and we also meet and discuss with a friend from our community. I hope Apinic will have more workshops like this, and we also want to try to bring this knowledge we learned to our members inside Vietnam. Thank you.
Hi, hello everyone. I am Kong from NREN, Vietnam. It is a great opportunity for me to join DNS and DNS security workshop from 29 November to the 3rd December. This workshop is very interesting and very good from my work. The teacher is friendly and hardworking, and I hope APNC will have more workshops in the future, and I'm always happy to join next workshop. Thank you very much.